Surya namaskar.
Keep both legs together. Fold both your hands together in a namaskar. Close your eyes. Put your full attention exactly behind the heart, where the Anahat chakra is. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, we will chant
Om Ram Mitraya Namaha.
Slowly put your hands down. Inhaling, take both hands up simultaneously. Then exhaling, bend backwards from the waist. Keep all your attention on the Vishuddhi chakra, which is behind the neck. This asan is called Husta utanasan. By doing this asan, we can reduce the extra fat in the stomach. This exercises the muscles in the arms and shoulders. Inhale deeply and chant the mantra.
Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha.
Inhaling, keep both hands straight. Exhaling, bend down from the waist. Try holding both the big toes with both the hands. In Padhastasan, the whole attention is focused behind the navel on the Manipur chakra. Focus all your attention on the waist and the calf of the feet. This asan cures the ailments of the stomach and abdomen. It also decreases fat. Also, this asan removes indigestion. Exhaling, we will chant the mantra.
Om Hrum Surya namaha.
Now bend your knees and keep both hands near both legs. Now take your right leg as much behind as possible. Inhaling, raise both hands, and exhaling, look up and take both hands backwards. In Ashwasanchchalinasan, focus all attention between the eyebrows, behind which lies the Agya chakra. This asan gives strength to the muscles of the legs and is also beneficial to parts of the abdomen. Inhale, chant mantra.
Om Hraim Bhanave Namaha.
Exhaling, bring both hands again in the previous position. Now take the front leg backwards and make the body take the shape of a slide. We call this Vipad prasaranasan. Raise the leg from the knees. Rest the entire body on palms of both hands and soles of both feet. At this time, the neck should be straight and entire attention must be focused behind the lower spine on the Mooladhara chakra. Inhale and chant mantra.
Om Hraum Khagaya Namaha.
Now slowly lower knees to the ground. Lay soles of both feet on the ground. Inhaling, balance on the heels. Do not move the position of the hands. Exhaling, try to touch your forehead to the floor. Breathe normally. The attention is to be focused behind the navel on the Manipur chakra. This asan has an effect on the muscles between the hips and the private organs. It also helps in eliminating indigestion and benefits patients of diabetes. Inhale and chant mantra.
Om Rah Pushne Namaha.
Inhaling, lift the body from the waist. Exhaling, keep the chest between both hands. Breathe normally. Keep your chin on the floor. This is the most important asan of Surya namaskar. It is called Ashtang asan. In this asan, 8 parts of the body are on the floor. Chin, chest, palms of both hands, both knees and soles of both feet. The stomach and waist are raised. Focus entire attention on that. Inhale and chant mantra.
Om Ram Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha.
Take a deep breath Slowly lower the entire body on the floor. Both legs should be near each other, lying flat on the floor. Both hands are near the shoulder. Keep head on the floor. Inhaling, raise the upper body, and exhaling, take the neck fully backwards and let it fall back. Keep eyes closed and breathe normally. Focus all attention on the spot where you are now experiencing pull and tension in the spine. The Swadhisthana chakra lies there. By doing this asan, we get relief from all the problems of the stomach. The spine becomes flexible and any problems of blood circulation are removed. We will chant the mantra.
Om Hrim Marichaye Namaha.
Inhaling, keep the neck straight. Exhaling, keep the entire body again on the floor. Here, we end Bhujangasana. Raise the soles of both feet. Keep both hands near the shoulders. Inhaling, we will raise the entire body together like a mountain. Focus all the attention on the top of the head. This is Parvatasan. It strengthens the muscles of the entire body. Chant the mantra.
Om Hrum Adityaya Namaha.
Slowly lower both the knees to the ground. Now, rest both the soles of the feet on the ground and inhaling, sit on your heels. Breathe normally. Keep hands stretched forward. Entire attention is to be focused on the Manipur chakra behind the navel. We will chant the mantra.
Om Hrim Savitre Namaha.
Now keep your right leg between both hands. Inhaling, raise both hands and exhaling, bend slightly backwards. Focus entire attention on the Agya chakra, which is behind the center of the eyebrows. Keep the soles of the back leg upright. Stand for some time and chant the mantra.
Om Hraum Arkaya Namaha.
Breathe in slowly and keep both hands straight. Exhaling, take both hands down. Breathe normally. Now, the leg which is behind should be taken in front and straighten both the legs from the knees. This is, again, we're doing Padhastasan. Entire attention is to be focused on the top of the head, that is, on the Sahasrara chakra. This asan also makes the spine flexible and speeds the blood circulation. We will chant the mantra.
Om Rah Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Inhaling, take both hands up together. Exhaling, bend backwards. That is, again like the Husta utanasan. Remain like this for some time. Focus all attention on the back of the throat, on the Vishuddhi chakra. In this asan, we do not chant any mantra. Now inhaling, keep both hands straight. Exhaling, join the hands in a namaskar pose. We will say the mantra.
Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha.
Slowly lower both hands. Keep eyes closed and relax. Leave the body loose. Focus entirely on the place where you experience tension. Keeping the eyes closed, imagine that each succeeding breath is a medicine that is taking out all the body's diseases and tensions with each outgoing breath.
Pebbles Live.